My little bee. My little bee. My Mrs. B.
Mr. B.
That's how I lost my. That's how I lost my hair.
Yeah, that's how you lost it.
Mr. and Mrs. B here. I am Mr. B.
I am Mrs. B.
That's ceramic B.
And these are napkin bees.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing well today. I'm super excited about this. Okay, again, if you come from a Hispanic family, you know that during Easter you have what's called the Cuaresma, like the 40 days, and they make mole. And mole is really huge in the Hispanic community.
Can I say that? Cuaresma. Is that right?
Yes, yes. So I didn't make, it's a long process. Making mole, making tortas, doing all of that, it's a long process. The tortas are like little squishy little egg things that have like, it's egg batter kind of with shrimp powder shrimp powder in it. Anyways, I made those for Mom, and I'm also taking her chile rellenos. But I had to have the mole with the nopales. You love nopales.
I love nopales.
They're the green little things. That's why I'm wearing green and bronze, because bronze for the chile, for representing the mole, and then the green representing the nopales.
And what are nopales?
Cactus.
Cactus.
They're cactus. Anyways, so I just thought, why not make a quick breakfast and show what do we normally, well, I don't know. I'm always putting things together. So my, I guess, knockoff to the chile rellenos, because for some reason there was a shortage of chile rellenos at the market. Those are the green chili pasilla chilies, and you roast them, and there's a whole process behind it. And so a shorter version of that this morning is I'm giving you the eggs, these are Anaheim chilies, so they have no spice to them.
Oh, by Disneyland.
Yeah, by Disneyland. Anyways, and then it has cheese, and then I give you your mole and your Mexican rice, because you love my Mexican rice.
It is phenomenal.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do I need to wind you up today?
I haven't had coffee yet.
I know. You didn't make coffee today. He did not make coffee today.
No, started at physical therapy and haven't had coffee yet. So spice will be kicking it up for us. But anyways,
Well,
what's under here?
I don't know. Because I told him, what do we want to pair up with this today?
We want to spice it up. We always have to spice it up.
We always want to spice it up. So,
What do we have?
dun-dun-dun-dun. Look at these cuties here.
It looks like a couple little birds.
Aren't they adorable?
What is
Can
this?
you tell us the story behind those?
Yeah, they're small and affordable, sort of. So it's yellow bird. This one's the habanero hot sauce. Then we have the verde, the green. It's a serrano hot sauce. Now I think we picked these up when we were visiting Mom, maybe at a Walmart. They run from $6 to $10. They're pretty small. I don't have a big expectation of how hot or how tasty they are. Something you find in a large store. Usually we prefer the small batch hot sauces and the producers that make them. But what? We didn't even bring our little spoon, so we're going to have to just taste. What'd you think?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
It's not spicy. I mean, it has
Did we think it was
habanero
gonna be?
in it. My mouth is watering. I think it'll be really good with the eggs.
Try a spoon. I like to try just by itself to see what it tastes like. Because obviously when you have food, it's going to alter the taste.
The green one is good too.
Now I've heard Johnny Scoville say
Oh,
that.
look, I match.
You do, you can wear them.
I match.
Little brooches. That if you do a hot sauce or anything off of a metal spoon, it can affect the flavor. That's why it's recommended. Like, for like caviar, you do the oyster.
I did not know that. I did not know why you were doing
But do
that.
you want to try a little bit?
Sure.
Then I shake it up. Let's shake it up. Make it as good as it can be.
ha ha.
Yeah. All right, so this is, it's got a, I don't want to say a jelly-like consistency. It's kind of thick. Let's see.
It is thick.
Alrighty.
It's not even moving. Do you see that?
I don't know.
Come on, you have to do the thick.
Well, it's kind of gluey.
Trust
Okay.
me.
Okay, it could be good.
I'll tell you what it looks like, but then you won't want to eat.
The smell is mediocre, mustardy, vinegary. I get a vinegar burn in my nose.
There's a little bit of vinegar. I want to say this may have, there's a sweetness to it as well. I know habaneros are sweet, but I'm wondering if this has a little bit of like pineapple or something in it.
An actual
It
habanero.
does. It has carrot.
It's not too bad. If you have nothing else and it's a meal,
It's good.
maybe,
Oh,
to just give you a little spice.
Yum. It does have sugar.
Hey, who's knocking
And
at the
it
door?
has, because it's just right that time. It's about that time. It has tangerine juice. Very nice.
A little citrusy. Not bad. It's okay. For me, I mean, the heat level is very small, a half. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 0.5 for you.
Very little. Yeah, 0.5
So if you like a little,
or 0.25
excuse me.
or 0.10.
Oh
This
yeah,
one's a little more watery.
this is the Serrano. You shake it.
I did.
Yeah, this one's pretty liquidy. I prefer medium.
It smells earthy. Cheers.
It smells a little grassy, huh?
It does. I actually
Not a fan.
like that one. I'm not a fan.
Almost all green sauces I do not like. There have been a couple that I found that surprise me. That's why I'll keep trying them, because you never know. Even if you don't like something, there may be a brand that really knows how to make it well.
So yes, and we
It's
have
personal taste.
We have
People may love this. For me, it just,
We have tasted those. We have. So I want to try some on the green. Just give it a try on your
a very small piece.
your eggs. Very small piece.
Very, very small piece. All right.
I don't like the sweetness in it. It does not go well with our plate. Anyways, but I did want to show you mole with nopales. So it's the red chili with the cacti. And then you have your Mexican rice. And then I made, so these are the Anaheim grilled chilies. First you have to roast them and then you peel them. And then I added eggs to that and some Mexican cotija cheese. Oh, I almost lost my mole.
I'm gonna let them out so we don't have to hear scratching.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course we have to let them out.
And like one of our viewers said, when I said he was a chili in the past life, he said he was a chili dog. He's a
Yes,
chili
he's
dog.
A chili dog.
You're
Yes,
officially
yes, yes, yes.
renamed to Chili Dog.
Chili dog. And he does have the Basset Hound. He does kind of look like a fat
Bye, Chili Dog.
Dodger hot dog.
And he's off.
I didn't hand make our tortillas, but
We'll
we
have to
got
throw in a
tortilla.
picture of our Chili Dog.
Oh, you do. You know you're in a Hispanic home if you have your tortilla warmer. It even gives you a recipe on how to make flour tortillas. Anyways, oh, and it has chiles.
Already?
Okay.
Well, I want to try a little bit of the habanero one, just like we did with.
Let's try the habanero one. So excited about just getting to my mole.
I think it was Jeremy that made the Chili Dog comment. That was pretty good.
Good job, Jeremy.
Very witty. Very witty.
Really? Yellowbird. Good try on this, but
It's all right. You know what? Everybody has a different tolerance. And I don't want to say we're chili snobs. We're not. We just know we're progressing in our chili. How should I say this?
Our palate.
Our palates are growing. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, I said a fancy word.
Fancy. No, I think that's right. I mean, our palates are growing. We're tasting more and more hot sauces. And we're being able to differentiate between, well, I don't want to say good and bad. I'm just saying that there may have been a day where these would have been fine, but now we've had so many great small batch hot sauces.
Yeah.
Like Uncle Bull Cow or...
Well, I also feel like it's like anything else. It's your palate, it's your preference. What do you like? Everybody likes something different. So, yeah, this may not be our go-to hot sauce, but it's still a good hot sauce. It's still worth a try. I would definitely try it. I want you to try this without hot sauce and then with hot sauce. Thank you. How do you like the mole?
Good.
I know, it's so good. Okay, if he's having an off day, he'll go, well, I ate it. He does say that. I ate it.
I ate it.
He does say that. But I love when I make good food because I honestly feel that food heals our soul. Yeah. Food is the doorway, the pathway to your soul. That's why everybody loves food and gatherings.
You know what it needs is a little bit of limon. Lemon. Lemon would be good. Throw a little egg in there. And I'm going to... Can you hold that for me? I'm going to make that... Yeah, you're fine. Just hold it like that. Don't let anything fall out.
Chili vinegar.
And then a little squeeze of lemon. A little squeeze of lemon.
Oh my God.
A little squeeze of lemon.
Is that tincture?
Oh yeah, I didn't say that? It is. It's seriously hot. Lemon tincture.
And lemon goes very good with mole.
It's from Seriously Hot Peppers. This is the lemon one, not the evil lemon. Now, if you want to boost some heat or build your tolerance, Tom Broom's Seriously Hot tinctures.
Oh, good.
The omega's good. The lemon's good.
Try it.
I am. I'm going to squeeze some lemon tincture.
That's good. Anyways. You know what today is? Today is hump day. It's like we're halfway through
Wednesday.
the week. It's Wednesday. I thought you said Wednesday. Can I have another little?
Drop.
Yes. A couple drops.
One for you. One for your mama.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm going to do another one. Actually.
That's really good.
Now, we love Tom Broom's tinctures. So good.
Tom, I don't think you ever expected to see people actually adding it to their food, right?
How about their tongue? Right to the source.
Where's mine?
Oh, sorry. So rude. So rude. Tongue. Oh,
What?
I almost got two on you. Accidentally. That's such a good one. If you love lemon and you love some spice, you can add it to your food.
Yeah, that's really good.
Little drop on ice cream.
Oh, yes.
Make anything a little spicy.
Oh, yeah, that went straight to my throat. That is so delicious. Our food is delicious. I hope this inspires you to, I don't know, get creative. You know, we brought some habaneros just in case.
You know what I was thinking of doing?
Enough. What? Biting it.
No. Well, sort of. They have a thing called a gusher.
Oh, are you going to put mole in it?
That would be a squisher. No. Some people We'll cut. See if I could do this without cutting me. Cut a little hole. That's the big one. You want to share it. The thing is,
Oh, we should share.
well, I don't know if you can share it.
I don't think you can share it.
A
I'm
gusher is
fine.
you cut a hole into a hot pepper, and you can throw in a hot sauce. You can throw in a tincture. I don't want to use my whole bottle, but some people will just fill it up. And then when you bite it, it's like a gushy candy. You have the hot with the fresh chili. Excuse me.
I want to try something. I don't know what I want to try. I want to try some.
Let's see what I do.
I want to stuff
It's
my.
got the whole stuff. 2, 3, 4, and that's all that was in there.
Okay.
It's a semi-gusher.
Okay, can I have some on my? Wait, does this still make it a gusher?
Yeah. What did you put in there?
My mole.
Is it spicy? It's sort of, huh?
Eh,
Usually a hot sauce or a tincture, but we're gonna make it.
okay. One.
Oh, sorry, no.
There wasn't anything in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're doing
Oh my
fine.
God.
I feel like I haven't done enough. All right, I've done whatever. You guys are the
It's
counters.
competition.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God, this looks so good. Oh, huh?
Very tasty. That was good. Because the habanero is kind of juicy and fruity, and the lemon,
Wow. Wowzer.
that was good.
That was very good.
The skin on my scalp's starting to burn, so that's, I get that when I've had a little bit of heat.
Oh, yeah.
That was good, huh?
My mouth is on fire.
The side of my tongue, the right side, a little bit of my scalp itchiness, the front of the tongue a little bit. Stop it, you. Yeah, very tasty.
I'm on fire.
Had a little mole. Very nice. It's a good breakfast. Thank you.
Holy moly. Wow. I need some rice. Whew.
Very tasty. Well, that was a good start for our day. I'm waking up. Waking up.
I'm up. I'm on fire.
Who needs coffee?
Cut.
Yoo-hoo!
Woo.
Anyways, we love you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Check out the people, businesses, and organizations we love. Links
Yes.
are in the description. You want to get some great tinctures? Go to Seriously Hot Peppers. Tom Broom is the owner. And if you're trying to increase your your heat level, start with like the lemon tincture. You can work your way up to maybe a mega
I'm on fire.
or the orange, flavorful. And then like the ones in the Hulu show, if you've seen Hulu's show Super Hot, the spicy world of pepper people, you can see Tom Broom, you can see people trying a variety of tinctures, hot sauces. You see Johnny Scoville,
you're
UK Chili
shaking.
Queen. It's good stuff. But anyways, we're getting closer to 100 subscribers, but once we do, it's going to be our first live. It's going to be
I gotta get up.
some spicy. Are we doing a
That was
dance?
spicy. I gotta get my yogurt. Holy
And that's
moly.
how I dance.
Ooh. I'm
Anyways,
spicy.
spicy.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh my lord.
And she's off. What are you getting over there?
Oh my goodness.
Makes your nose run, huh?
That was insane. I'm literally crying over here.
So honestly, for a burn for me, it was about a 2.
Okay.
What was it for you?
Well, okay.
You did 5, I did 4 or 5, I think,
But
in the habanero.
my habanero was much bigger. I'm saying this really peaked at about a 7 for me.
Get out of here. I think I saw her levitate. A 7.
Holy moly. Yeah. Like when I have to get up and like I can't, I even have tears.
Because she's so happy.
That went from 0 to like 7, like that. And I think it was a combination of these little hot sauces, the tincture for sure, because we had quite a few drops of it.
Yeah, good stuff.
And, sorry, excuse me, I kind of burped. Excuse me. It's not very ladylike. And then my
She's my
habanero
lady.
was chunky,
Chunky monkey.
like me. Ooh, I'm hot. I'm sweating. And just like that, it's back to a 1.
And just like that, have a good day.
Have a good day, guys. I hope we make you laugh. I hope we bring smiles to your face. That's always our purpose. Just continue trying stuff. Hot sauces, know your limit always. But I enjoy us
It's fun to explore.
exploring. So have
And
a good
stinging
day.
and burning.
Yes. Tom, you have to let us know if anyone else has ever added tincture with food on a taco.
I bet they have.
Probably. I'm sure we're not the first ones. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We love you guys. Have a great rest of your week and weekend. Take care.
Bye-bye. A 7.
That was hot.